Caleb is doing our unboxing, as he knows not to ever cut towards himself, but he just did. So
sorry, guys.
Here he goes again. Let's cut towards myself, towards my arm and my thumb. What are you pulling out of here? Let's see it. Let's get it out of here. Alright. We've got our handle. We've got a grinding disc.
And
we have the grinder. Do we ever remove the guard from the grinder?
Yes.
What?
No.
No. The guard stays on for a reason. It's a 4.5-inch grinding disc.
Too thick.
So what we have to do on all of our home plates that we've made, we have to take the edge of the screws off, but we're going to get going that right now. Grinding disc is going on. Our handle's here. Comes with a little wrench.
And this is how you hold it. And you take it with your right hand. Look at it like this.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure? How like that? Cut them right off?
Yeah.
Do you want to cut one?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll get you a face shield and all, okay?
I do have a face shield.
I know. That's
welder's mask.
Yeah, we can go get one on the other side. So let's get these things cut off. Time to grind, baby. Alright, that's good. First impressions of the $29 side grinder from Lowe's, from Craftsman. Thumbs up for me.
And thumbs up for me.
There you go. So, yeah, you need a angle grinder. Lowe's has got them, 29 bucks from Craftsman. And I don't use it every day, so this is going to work out perfect for me. So y'all go check it out. It's Larry Johnson from the Outdoor Office.
Now watch the season, we got you in our sights.
Got that right. Y'all be good.